Welcome to Cigars with M. Today's topic is how to use cigar scissors. Cigar scissors are an accessory that can be used to give your cigar a straight cut, trim the loose wrapper of your cigar, or cut the end of your cigar if you can't finish it. Grab your cigar and your cigar scissors. Press down on the cigar as you cut the cap of the cigar. Once you cut your cigar, you can see that there is a clean straight cut. This cut exposes the head of the cigar, allowing more smoke and flavor to travel to your palate. If you find yourself having to cut your cigar to finish for later, use your cigar scissors to cut the ash of the cigar off. Remember to place your cigar in a Ziploc bag with a humidity control pack for safe storing.